jump on the trampoline. Okay, ready?
No.
Set.
Don't throw sticks.
Hurry up and take a picture.
I'm taking a video, not a picture.
Look at fucking tree.
Ah!
What?
Don't step on any plants, or I'll get mad.
Come on, come over here.
Oh!
Oh, look at this.
Did you
see that?
did you hit her?
Yeah, I hit the mom.
Jump, jump! You can do it. Yeah, they can. Stop being so negative.
I want to keep on. Oh, they made it. Damn.
Scurry along.
Oh, they're not going to make that jump.
Yeah, they are. They're gonna make every jump. Because remember, we saw them like a couple of minutes ago.
Oh, look at the stuffed animal
What stuffed animal?
on the fence.
I don't see one.
Right here.
Oh, I don't know.
They're not going to make that jump.
Yes, they
They
are.
have to be like LeBron James to do that.
Because they are LeBron James.
Oh, that one's not going to make it? Oh, oh! Oh, this is cheating. It went around.
Ah!
That's not fair. It went to the side where it could jump. Oh, they're not going to make it. He's going to make it. Oh, he made it. I'm sorry. They're learning how to jump.
After they leave the yard, I'd jump, okay?
Up LeBron.
They're cool.
They're never going to leave. They're corny.
They could go out the front yard.
We jump on the trampoline and see if they would.
Hold up.